and we are here to propose for our system, which is called Online Laptop Shop Management System. So we have some of the members here. Naiusa na wala pa. Ambot lang if maabot pa lang siya. Our leader is Harvey Kasane, and our members is Gabriel Palmera, Colon, Edula, Barabat, and Palace. So we are going to talk about our system, proposed system. So the background of the study. This is an online shopping platform designed to sell laptops where users can browse and purchase variety of laptops. Only admin and can post selling only admin can post selling laptops on the online shopping platform, from the budget friendly to high end models. It may offer detailed product descriptions, user reviews, and support for choosing the right device. This site aims to create a streamlined, user-friendly shopping experience to make it easy for customers to find and buy laptops. Next slide. Sige. Before the user uses the site, they will register, and the register page will show the usual, the username, their unique display name, their valid email, password and confirm password, and naimi OTP. And then of course the register button. Next slide. Then sa login page, of course, pagkatiman nimo sa register, login ka with your valid email, with the password, and diretso dayon. Now, the problem statement. The laptop shop platform has been designed to provide a seamless shopping experience for users, allowing them to browse, select, add to cart, update, remove, delete, and proceed to checkout. However, there has been an issue with the cart functionality that is negatively affecting the user experience. When a user adds a laptop to their shopping cart, it is supposed to remain there until the user decides to remove it or proceeds with the checkout process. However, due to a system bug, the laptop item is automatically removed from the cart with user intervention. Next slide. Objectives of the system: increase laptops by 30% within the next 6 months, enhance customer satisfaction ratings by 15% through excellent service and support, and expand product offering to include gaming laptops, more brands and units. And our scope is the shop encompasses various aspects to ensure efficient operations, customer satisfaction, and business growth, product knowledge and pricing, customer engagement, sales techniques.
Check out. So, kaning product catalog, makuha naman tanan ni search and filter, bali view ni sa user if makalagin na sila. Then receipt, bali ang kaning receipt is masend sa email. Mo email ang bali ang seller if sa status sa order sa user or sa nag-order. Then secure checkout, then maura. Next slide. Imo account is kuan user, mo diretso sa view sa user nga page, and if kuan, if admin is mga siya sa dashboard, mga siya sa dashboard. Then is diretso siya sa dashboard, then makita niya nga customer reports or feedback like comments sa kanang product or unsa man na siya. Then there is sa lain na nga page is makita niya ngadto ang kanang bali shipping status. Then makita ngadto ang kanang customer details, yun nagkuan. Details and system will message customers via email. So, same sa akong giingon kanina is pwede ma-email ni admin kung unsay status sa gi-order ni user. Then, message customer for reasons via email. Then, if kanang dili gani ma-proceed gani or dili ma-process ang gi-order ni user is pwede like unsay reason nga nang ingana, kanang may cancellation or unsay nakalangan sa order. Then, diri sa user is same mga e-commerce nga website like Shopee or Lazada. So diri is pwede niya mag-view ang laptop. Yeah, pero limit siya dili same sa admin nga makalabot which is tanan features. Then na siya add to cart view. Then maka-view siya sa kuan specific na laptop, then maka-view sa details. Then if sa kuan gani sa add to cart nga view is pwede niya makita kung kanang total expenses niya is kanang total sa kanang specific nga kuan pila ka buok quantity, then ang total sa laptop niya i-check out mo na kuan total expenses. Then mora so methodology. So we will build a web which is ma-access siya sa mobile and ma-access pa siya sa PC nga view. Bali na siya part sa system integration. So in doing it, nasa nagamit sa jQuery. And we also use GitHub para sa mga
Feasibility analysis. Online laptop shop management system. Existing workflows involves adapting the current process to a new, more streamlined digital approach. The transition will likely improve efficiency, customer satisfaction, and scalability.
Expected outcomes and benefits. So, impact ng system is budget-friendly siya. Then, makapili ang mga customers o variety sa type sa laptop like patong mga high-ends, mga baratuhon or makaya sila budget. Order processing time can be reduced by 40%, enabling faster transaction o ang deliveries. Real-time inventory para ma-update kung ilan na stock sa mga laptops. Ensuring accurate product availability and improving customer trust. Benefits. So, offering discount just as 30% off or bulk deals. Make laptop more affordable for wider audience, including students, small businesses, thereby increasing sales and attracting budget-conscious shoppers.
So, conclusion. A budget-friendly online laptop shop management system offers a range of benefits that align with low cost, high quantity business models. The system enables profitability all while keeping expenses manageable. So sa flow no makita nato nga naa siya login tapos user o sa tawag ni admin. So ang admin is para sa seller tapos ang user is para sa mga customers. So dito sa admin makita na to ang kanang mga kaning mga ibang baligya nga kanang mga laptop like nana. So ang kani amo system is laptop shop management, only laptop ra gini siya. Walay lain nga laptop ra gyud na baligya ani. So that's all ma'am, thank you.